Hey guys, we're going to go ahead and get into this tutorial. So in this tutorial, we're going to be adding dynamic variables to our landing page. So the first thing we need to go ahead and do is scroll on down to the landing page URL. And then we need to go ahead and create a query string. So all we have to do is add a question mark. And then we're just going to create a name here. It's going to name it example1. And we got to make sure that we place the equal sign after that. So from here we need to click on the city token in the drop-down menu. And this is going to pull in the city of the user on our landing page. So we also want to create one more variable. So we're gonna create or use the ampersand symbol, and then we're gonna name our second variable example2, and then we're gonna put an equal sign again, and then we're going to click the state token. So this is gonna insert the state of the user, and the example1 is gonna insert the city of the user on our page. So once that's done, we're gonna go ahead and save, and that's pretty much all we have to do. And then we just need to grab the code and place it on our website. Okay, so now we just need to edit the PHP file, and we're going to go ahead and click edit a few times here. And then we're going to go ahead and scroll on down to the headline and paste in our script. So meet beautiful women in, and we want to put in our city. So we need to change this to example1 like we created earlier. This is going to put in the variable for the city, and we want to put in the variable for the state. So we need to change this to example2. And that's pretty much it. So this is going to pull in the variable for the state. This one's for the city. And then we want to go ahead and add a color to these variables. So let's add a span tag and add a style attribute. So we're going to just change this color to yellow. And I need to also move this tag right about here. We're going to go ahead and save and check out our landing page.